If you want to know how to win the lottery and what it takes to do so, then this video is for you. This is the first video in a series of videos on winning the lottery and the law of attraction. For more videos about abundance and the law of attraction, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon below to ensure you get notified of future videos that will benefit you. Hello, my name is Dobos and I am an abundance scientist and coach as well as a best-selling author. To learn how to get the law of attraction working for you, download the free centering exercise. Again, that link will be below the description box in the video. If you want to know how you can win the lottery, stay tuned for some useful tips. But before I tell you how to win the lottery, I recommend you watch the following video, Why You Don't Have Enough Money. The video has important information to help you better prepare yourself so that you too can win the lottery, and you can find it, well, here or there. I believe the best way to serve you is to help you understand how to align yourself with money first, and then teach you strategies that will help you to win the lottery and also to hold on to the winnings. It is a little known fact that 70% of lottery winners are actually financially worse off within 3 years of winning the lottery. So the main reason for this is that they do not know how to manage money and therefore squander the winnings in a short period of time. So if you want to win the lottery and keep the money, this video is for you. Winning the lottery is something that takes some preparation and practice. You will have to prepare both mentally and physically like any athlete. Prepare yourself mentally is even more important than preparing yourself in the physical world or on the action on what you need to do. So in the Silva Method, we call these areas the mental or subjective levels of mind and the physical or objective levels of mind. This video focuses on the mental preparedness or the inner game, which is the subjective level. The most important preparation you will need is in your mental mindset. This requires continued attention and discipline if you want to attract and manifest, and then keep that what you manifest into your life. It is also important that you get the way of the law of attraction works. The law of attraction is a universal, ever-existing natural law that pulls into your life everything that you currently have or don't have. So let's get to work. Imagine that you're standing in a river facing upstream. As you are facing upstream, you feel the water pressing against your legs. The water is fast enough, it could feel as it would push you over and wash you downstream. In order for you to stay in your spot, you have to continually use your muscles and work against the current to maintain a strong footing. Now imagine that you lift one of your legs, and the minute you lose your balance, the current can immediately grabs under you and washes you down further stream. Then you start going downstream. Now imagine in the same river, instead of facing upstream, you turn to face downstream. This time, you feel the pressure of the water pushing against the back of your legs, and your body needs to react continually in order to stay put in the water. This is a perfect example of how the law of attraction works. The law of attraction is like a river constantly flowing towards you, no matter what you are doing. Whether you're looking upstream or downstream, the law of attraction is flowing towards you just like a river. The law of attraction is also constantly flowing toward you like that river. It carries with it the things you want. When you are not aligned or resonating with the thing that you want, you don't see it there floating in the river. You can only see what you are resonating with. You might be thinking that you really want to win the lottery and that your desire might be very strong. However, if you are mentally not aligned with winning the lottery, your brain will not be able to see the winning lottery ticket in the river. To understand the connection between your mind and brain, please watch the video here. There could be a winning lottery ticket right in front of you in the river, but you act too slowly and the river washes it right downstream. When you are not aligned, it's as if you're wearing sunglasses to avoid the glare of the sun while in the water. The tint is so dark that you don't notice the ticket there in the water. This is the unconscious practice law of attraction. This is what so many people practice in the world, unconsciously wandering around and making life really hard. Only 1% of people are consciously paying attention to what they want to create in their lives. These people will see that ticket flowing down the river and they'll be able to reach out and grab it and pull it out. They are not wearing glasses. Instead, they are wearing a hat which reflects the sun from above but also allows them to clearly see what's below in the water being carried downstream. This is creative. This is conscious creation. So the law of attraction constantly flows toward you. It is bringing towards you that winning lottery ticket, if that is what you desire. And when you are aligned with that, then you'll see it and you'll be able to pick it up. So how do you get internally aligned with winning the lottery? Learn to appreciate what you already have. Since the law of attraction is always working and is always bringing things into your life, you want to ensure that good things are flowing toward you. What is it that determines what it brings? Your thoughts. The law of attraction states whatever you focus on is what you get more of. And how do you focus on something? Your thoughts determine your focus. Imagine that this river is flowing toward you, and the better you are at appreciation, the more grateful you are, the more gratitude and appreciation and wonderful things that will flow toward you in the river. However, when you are critical or negative about the things that you have in your life, the river will bring more criticism and negativity into your life. So when you are in appreciation for the things around you, the people you live with, or the people you work with, the things you have, and anything that's in your space, more of that will flow into your life. You get what you give. In this case, you are giving appreciation. This river is like the mirror of your mind, mirroring the thoughts that you are thinking and carrying towards you the things that you are thinking about. Sometimes this river will bring it to you quickly, and other times it will bring it to you more slowly. It all depends on how pure your thoughts are, how intense they are. So how does this apply to winning the lottery? Well, winning the lottery requires a mindset of appreciation of the money that you will be winning. Thinking of how it will feel, being curious about the process, and appreciating every step of it along the way. Practicing appreciation and gratitude every minute of life, no matter the circumstances. It's up to you to find the silver lining, for many silver linings will carry the gold. First of all, you must have an appreciation, a positive sense for what winning the lottery means to you. Is it about freedom? Is it about comfort, joy, or ease? Get clear about what it means to you and appreciation of some of those things, and that will make it easier. Next, you want to imagine the types of things that you are going to be spending the money on. How will you be investing the money? What your house will look like, or where you will live. Get clear about how you will use the money and how you will make it work for you. Will you be giving 5 or 10% to charities? Looking at that is also important. Next, you also want to visualize. Visualize often just before bed or just after awakening how you're going to be using that money. Being interviewed is another way that you can imagine being interviewed, that you're on TV. Do this before you purchase a lottery ticket and do it every single day. Also, you may want to have a vision board that reminds you of winning the lottery ticket and what it means. Perhaps you will quit your job. A vision board is an excellent way to do by creating a collage of different pictures that are associated with the things that you will be buying or spending the money on when you win the lottery. You want to be in a space of appreciation constantly, staying in this positive feedback loop each time you think of receiving this lottery money. You can receive only as much or as little as what you believe you can win. If there is a number associated with your win, then be clear about it. Whatever amount of money you believe is realistic for you to win, it will be in line with the lottery that you're going to be playing. If you are open to large amounts of money, great! If not, then that's fine too. It may just be a gradual growth to a larger amount. Remember, this is not a magic pill that you take and you win the lottery tomorrow. It requires conscious use of the principles of the law of attraction and requires your inner game to be aligned before it's worthwhile to start play on the outer game and buy those tickets. Winning the lottery also requires ongoing commitment. Even when it seems that you are not getting close, you want to stay with the strategy you set. For instance, if you are the type of person who is using the same numbers over and over again, then you want to make sure that you play those numbers regularly. Work the plan and stick with it. The first ingredient is desire, a very strong, burning desire inside of you to win the money, or to win the lottery, or to do the things that the money that you will win in the lottery will do for you. Typically, it's much more effective when you focus on what you're going to do with the money and visualize yourself winning it. Perhaps you see yourself receiving a large check or a new balance in your bank account. You must believe that the amount of money you wish to win is an amount of money that you can believe you can win. So if you believe you can win $100,000, great. If it's $1 million, great. The more you believe in the amount that you're thinking about, the more you will be aligned. To learn more about belief, watch the video titled, "Why Don't You Have Enough Money?" Finally, you must be able to receive the winning money. What that means is that Often we get caught up in a space when we want something bad, but right when we're about to receive it, we get blocked or afraid. Perhaps we forget to buy the ticket, or we lose the ticket and can't find it. What does it mean to receive? It means that you are acting as if you already have that money. Does it mean that you should be spending more money, doing more things, spending more, living a more expensive lifestyle? It means that you are changing your vibration to match that of having a larger amount of money, to be ready to cash the check, and that check arrives in the mail. It means if someone brings you a winning lottery ticket, you say thank you very much, put it away in your pocket, and go and cash it. And you don't feel guilty. In the Silva Method, we teach that there are 3 parts to the law of attraction: desire, believe, and receive. You must have a burning desire inside you in order to win that lottery. Without that, you won't follow through in the daily work that is required. You must believe that you can win the lottery or the amount of money you have set your mind to win. You must be able to receive, that is, be ready to cash it in when the time is right. Although this seems obvious, it comes back to our inner mental alignment with our desire. As human beings, we've learned to go upstream against the natural way of the world. The more tools we created, like paddles, sails, motors, and so forth, the more power we had to fight the current. But fighting the current or going against it takes a lot of work, like walking upstream in the river, and it takes a lot of energy. What will you notice if you are getting closer to your goal? You may receive invitations to places you didn't go before. You may get a new job or a raise that you didn't plan on or ask for. You might find money on the street. You will begin to win smaller amounts of money and win more frequently. Someone may give you money. Stay open to more signs that are showing you how your life is improving. Keep your sunglasses off and your feet in the water, and pay attention to what is happening with you and appreciate it. As a scientist, I always test the techniques before I go to share them. This ensures I can stand behind what I share. Before I prepared for the video, I took 1 full month, the month of March, to play the lottery each week and test the principles that I am sharing with you. I played 13 games in March and had 5 cash money wins and 7 free plays. Out of 13 games, I won 12 times. I lost only once. In our next video, I will share the objective of the activities you'll need to do to get closer to creating a big lottery win. Remember, this requires daily attention and may take many years before you get the big win. One of the steps is to follow the strategy that will take you to winning the lottery. The win may be sooner or later. It depends on you and your mental alignment with winning the lottery and the discipline you take to follow the advice I'm sharing. Of course, you can accelerate your success by taking the Silva Method. You can find links to the program in the description box below. So if you would like to know more about winning the lottery and the law of attraction and how that works, then wait for the next video, which will start very shortly. If you like this content and want to be notified when we put out more, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon below. My name is Stephen Dobos, and I will be with you in the next video.